Recording in progress.
Hello. Hello. This is for testing. It's for testing.
Hello. Hello. This is Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. This is for your kind attention. Kindly switch off your mobile phones or to keep them in silent mode. And also, it is requested not to clap in this function. Thank you. Thank you all for the cooperation.
Please, Bunny sir. I can
Then Harish Kumar. But was on his way out.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕಾನೂನು ಏನು ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ.
ಕಾನೂನು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ನಾವ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧವಾಯ್ತು.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿದೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceedings?
Yes.
I request the chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council to deliver the farewell address.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಹಂಗಾಮಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿ ಕಾಮೇಶ್ವರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳು. ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಪೀಠದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಕೆ ಶಶಿಕಿರಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿರವರೇ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸಾಲಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಕೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರೇ, ಸಹಾಯಕ ಸಾಲಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಶಾಂತಿಭೂಷಣ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಕಾರಿಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಧೀರ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರುಗಳೇ, ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅವರುಗಳೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿನಯ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಂಗ್ಳೇಕರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಕೀಲ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಸಹ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ವೈ.ಆರ್. ಸದಾಶಿವ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳೇ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಅಭಿಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಬಿ.ಎ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಅವರುಗಳೇ, ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಅಭಿಯೋಜಕರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಬಿ.ಎನ್. ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ವಿಲೇಖನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ.ಎಸ್. ಭರತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಲೇಖನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧೀನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರುಗಳೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ರಾಮು ಕೇರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಹೊಸಮನಿ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಕೀಲ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಿ.ಎಸ್. ರವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಗೌಡ ಎಚ್.ವಿ. ರವರೇ, ಖಜಾಂಚಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಮಹಿಳಾ ವಕೀಲರ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಾವಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಜಿ ಹಂಸರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಧಾರವಾಡ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂ ಸಿಲ್ವಂತ್ರವರೇ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಬಿ ಮಲಗೌಡ್ರವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಆನಂದ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿರವರೇ, ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗುಪ್ತಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರವರೇ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಮೂಲಗಿಯವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಮೋಟಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿಯವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲರುಗಳೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರಿಷತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸಮಸ್ತ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಸನ್ಮಾನ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಗಳಿಂದ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ವೃತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದುವ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ವಿದಾಯ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶುಭ ಕೋರಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುವುದು ಕಷ್ಟವೆನಿಸಿದರೂ ಅದು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ತಾವು ದಿನಾಂಕ 16/6/1963 ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಮಂಡಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ತಂದೆಯವರಾದ ಲೇಟ್ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಶ್ರೀಯವರು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಬ್ಬಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯವರು ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಿಕ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಗುಡಿಬಂಡೆ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಗುಡಿಬಂಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರೈಸಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ BSc ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನಂತರ ಕಾನೂನು ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ BMS ಕಾನೂನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರು ದಿನಾಂಕ 11/2/1987 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರಿಷತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿ ನೋಂದಾಯಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ MS ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ರಾವ್ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಗೌರವ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ತಾವು 1990ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಾದ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುಡಿಬಂಡೆ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ನಂತರ ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಮಂಡಳಿಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ಅತ್ಯಲ್ಪ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ವಕೀಲರೆಂದು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸತತ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ದಿನಾಂಕ 27/5/2002 ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡು 3ನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾಗಿ ಬೀದರ್, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಕೀರ್ತಿಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವುದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ, ವೃತ್ತಿಪರ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ, ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಅಪರಿಚಿತ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸೇವೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಸವಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದಿನಾಂಕ 14/11/2016 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 3/11/18 ಈ ಗಣ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಕಾಯಂ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಾವು ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗರಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಸಂಹಿತೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 92 ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಣಯಿಸುವುದು ಕೇವಲ ಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಥ ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿರೋಧಿಸಬಹುದೆಂದು ನಿರ್ಣಯಿಸಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. 2018ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗದೀಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹತ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ದೋಷಗಳನ್ನು ದೃಢಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದು ಅವರ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳ ಗಂಭೀರತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ISIS ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದ ಎಂದು ಆರೋಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಜಾಮೀನು ನಿರಾಕರಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಕರಣವು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭದ್ರತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಇರುವ ಕಳಕಳಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಗಣ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ತೀರ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವಾ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಳೀಕರಿಸಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿ ಇತ್ಯರ್ಥಪಡಿಸುವ ಕಲೆಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಕೀಲರ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಇದ್ದ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಕಲಾಪಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವ ವಕೀಲರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ತಮ್ಮ ವಿನಯತೆ, ವಿವೇಚನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸುವುದು, ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ ನಿರ್ಣಯದ ತತ್ವ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸವಿನೆನಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಶಂಸನೀಯ. ತಮ್ಮದು ಸುಖಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ತಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶೈಲಜರವರು ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಉಲ್ಲಾಡ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ PhD ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಉಲ್ಲಾಡ್ರವರು ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸಮಸ್ತ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸಹೃದಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ತಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೀಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನಮಗೆ ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಲಭಿಸಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳು ಸಿಗಲೆಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
I request the Honorable Acting Chief Justice to deliver the farewell address.
Dear brother Justice Sreenivas Harish Kumar, my esteemed sister and brother judges, family members of Honorable Sri Justice Sreenivas Harish Kumar, Mr. Shashi Kiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate General, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Mr. Mithila Kaur, Chairman, Mr. Sadashiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, and Mr. Vinay Manglekar, Vice Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council and other members of the State Bar Council, Mr. Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Ms. Srimati Shweta Ravi Shankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Srimati Prabha Murthy, President, Indian Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, Founder President, All India Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, President, Karnataka Federation of Women Lawyers and other office bearers, Registrar General, Registrars and other officers of the Registry of High Court, senior advocates and other learned members of the bar, judicial officers present, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled to bid a respectful farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Sreenivas Harish Kumar. This occasion affords us the opportunity to reflect the exemplary standards he has set both as a distinguished judge of this High Court and as a person of integrity, humility and compassion. He was born on 16 June 1963 at Mandikal village, Chikballarpur, Taluka. Justice Sreenivas Harish Kumar was nurtured in an academic environment by his parents, late Srimati Subalakshamma and late Sri G. Venkatramaya, a lecturer in political science. His early education was at a government junior college, Gudibande, followed by pre-university studies at the renowned National College, Jayanagar. He obtained his law degree in 1986 from BMS Law College, Bengaluru. Brother Justice Harish Kumar was enrolled as an advocate with the Karnataka State Bar Council in the year 1987 and commenced his professional journey under the able mentorship of Sri M.S. Purushottam Rao, Advocate, High Court of Karnataka. Specializing primarily in civil law, Justice Harish Kumar started his independent practice in the year 1991, appearing before the Civil Court, tribunals, and the High Court of Karnataka. He also practiced before courts in Chikballapur and Gudibande, particularly after the establishment of a court at the latter in the year 1998. Brother Harish Kumar was appointed to the judiciary as a district and sessions judge in the year 2002, and thereafter he served with distinction in various capacities as additional district and sessions judge, Tumakuru, additional city civil and sessions judge, Bengaluru, and principal district and sessions judge at Bidar, Chitradurga, and Bangalore rural. He also served as a director, Karnataka Judicial Academy, Bengaluru. Brother Justice Harish Kumar was elevated to the High Court of Karnataka as an additional judge on 14th November 2016 and became permanent judge on 3rd November 2018. Throughout his judicial tenure, Justice Harish Kumar has exemplified a rare combination of sharp intellect, deep legal insight, unwavering humility, and genuine compassion. These attributes have been consistently reflected in his well-reasoned and scholarly judgments, many of which are reported and have contributed meaningfully to the development of law. Brother Justice Harish Kumar has authored several landmark judgments that stand testament to his profound understanding of jurisprudence and commitment to justice, a few of which are highlighted as under. In the case of Shri Ummu alias Imran versus State of Karnataka, a landmark judgment of Brother Justice Harish Kumar has distinguished between training a witness to depose and tutoring of witness. Justice Harish Kumar held that every seasoned advocate trains the witnesses before they are examined in the court, and it differs from tutoring. In the case of Sri Lokanath versus State of Karnataka, Brother Justice Harish Kumar held that to invoke provisions of SC/ST Atrocities Act, caste-based allegations should be there. If there are no such allegations, then Act cannot be invoked. In the case of Srimati Meenakshi versus State of Karnataka, landmark judgment of Brother Justice Harish Kumar has laid down detailed guidelines to the trial courts as to the procedure to be followed for recording the statement of the accused under Section 313 of the then CRPC. In the case of Mohammed Jabir versus National Investigation Agency, another landmark judgment of Brother Justice Harish Kumar held that application for extension of time to file charge sheet takes priority over an application for default bail when both are filed on the same day. In the case of Dharmarao and others versus Syed Arifa Praveen, wife of Mustaq Ahmad, Brother Justice Harish Kumar held if trial court declines to frame or reframe issues despite requests made by a party in a suit, the same can be agitated in appeal from that judgment. Justice Harish Kumar has brought with him a wealth of experience which significantly contributed to the effective functioning of the Karnataka Legal Services Authority and High Court Legal Services Committee. His insightful guidance played a crucial role in streamlining the process of case resolution. With his active involvement, a substantial number of cases were disposed of efficiently in the Lok Adalats. His commitment to alternate dispute resolution greatly enhanced the impact of the Lok Adalats. The results stand as a testament to his dedication and judicial acumen. In addition to his judicial duties, he played a pivotal role in the administrative functioning of this court. As administrative judge for several districts, his contributions were marked by efficiency, foresight, and a deep commitment to institutional excellence. Brother Justice Harish Kumar, adherence to high principles throughout his professional career, has set inspiring standards. It is a legacy to be remembered. His contributions are many, and his absence at the bench will be keenly felt. It's a moment of pride and reflection to acknowledge the exemplary services of Brother Justice Harish Kumar, who devoted 23 years to the judiciary with distinction, serving both as a district judge and later as a judge of the High Court. He brought depth, diligence, and integrity to every role he held. His vast experience in handling complex judicial matters greatly contributed to the efficient and fair delivery of justice. Justice Harish Kumar was known for his balanced approach, deep legal insight, and unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law. His contributions have left a lasting mark on the judicial system and will continue to serve as a benchmark for future generations. Brother Justice Harish Kumar is happily married to Srimati Sailaja, and the couple is blessed with two children, daughter Dr. Samitha Ullod, who is pursuing PhD in Ayurveda medicine and presently working as an assistant professor at the Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Ayurveda, Bengaluru, and son, Mr. Sumant Ullod, is practicing advocate. He is a practicing advocate. On behalf of my esteemed sister and brother judges, the entire High Court family, and on my behalf, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and best wishes to Honorable Justice Sreenivas Harish Kumar. May he be blessed with continued success, robust health, and happiness in all his future endeavors. Thank you very much.
I request Harish Kumar to give reply to the farewell address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My Lord Sri Justice V. Kameshwar Rao, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice and the companion judges, Sri K. Shashikiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General of Karnataka, Sri K. Aravind Kamath, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Learned Additional Advocates General and Government Advocates attached to the Office of the Advocate General, Sri B.A. Beliappa and Sri Vijay Kumar Majge, Learned State Public Prosecutors, Additional State Public Prosecutors and other law officers attached to the Office of State Public Prosecutor, Sri H. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Sri Mittal Code, the Chairman, Sri Vinay Mangalekar, the Vice Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Sri Y.R. Sadashiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, Sri Vivek Subbareddy, the President, Sri Praveen Gowda, the General Secretary, Sri Girish Kumar, the Vice President, Srimati Shweta Ravishankar, the Treasurer, and other office bearers of Bengaluru Advocates Association, Learned Registrar General, and all other registrars of this court, learned judicial officers, learned senior counsel, and learned members of the bar, staff of the High Court, my family members, friends, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen. I thank Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, Sri Justice V. Kameshwar Rao, and the Chairman of Karnataka State Bar Council for their words of appreciation, showing that I have discharged my duty as a judge of this court true to the oath of office I took on 14/11/2016. I have been a judge for the last 23 years, out of which 8 years, 7 months as a judge of this court. My appointment as a judge is attributable to the act of providence. My journey as a judge has been one of responsibility, learning, and above all, dedication to doing justice. To work as a judge was a matter of pleasure. Yajnavalkya Smriti states the way in which a judge has to decide cases. I quote, Dharma Shastranusarena Krodha Lobha Vivarjitaha. The meaning of the above verse is that a judge has to decide cases in accordance with law, dharma, free of anger and greed. As I demit my office today and open a new chapter in my life called retirement, I have the satisfaction of believing to have lived up to the above mandate. On an occasion like this, it is my duty to express gratitude to everyone who has stood by me and contributed directly or indirectly in my journey as a judge. It is my foremost duty to remember my parents. My mother, now aged 92 years, is a simple woman, known for her patience, discipline, cleanliness, and orderliness. She was a great influence in my childhood days, having also been my teacher during school days. My mother continues to inspire me even to this day with her way of life. But for her, I would not have realized the dignity, excellence, and greatness in being self-dependent. Today, she is unable to make it to this occasion due to her age-related ailments, but I take this opportunity to express my pranams and eternal gratitude to my mother. My father shaped my career. He taught me at my high school, which was attached to the government junior college, in which he was a lecturer. My father had good command over Kannada and English literature. His style of teaching, which remains green in me, provided helpful while I was the director of Karnataka Judicial Academy. He encouraged me to read literature and taught me the art of reading and understanding the verses in Mankutimana Kagga, the legendary work of the great DVG. My father was into agriculture also. This made me to involve in all types of agricultural operations during my student days and come in close contact with the villagers, which helped me understand the hard realities of life. My father's unstinted support, both financially and morally, during my hard days as a first-generation lawyer has come a long way in aiding me to achieve the position that I have today. I still remember what he told me when I received a call letter to appear for the written examination, which was introduced for the first time for selection of district judges. As time for preparation was very short, I was contemplating whether or not I should take up the examination. It was then that my father persuaded me, saying, "You have been in practice for the last 15 years. You must write the examination from the experience you have gained so far as an advocate. It matters least whether you get selected or not, but this is an opportunity to evaluate yourself. These words had a positive impact on me, leading to my selection as a district judge in the year 2002. Indeed, words are insufficient to describe the role played by him in my life. My father is not with us, and if he is not remembered today, there is no meaning in offering sacred libation or performing annual rites. My respect and salutations to him. I must remember my two seniors, Sri T. Venkanna and Sri M.S. Purushottam Rao. Sri T. Venkanna was very orthodox and a strict disciplinarian. Though my stay in his office was short, his wisdom, guidance, and systematic ways cannot be forgotten. Yet again, words fail to describe the personality of Sri M.S. Purushottam Rao. He was simple, humble, highly spiritual, and also a great philanthropist. He was an ocean of knowledge with expertise on civil side, especially in execution matters. He had very extensive work in the High Court, trial courts, and before many quasi-judicial authorities. His office gave me good exposure to learn trial work, which helped me decide the appeals without any difficulty. He had chosen me to take his Kannada dictation. I knew he would be one of the happiest persons had he been alive on the day of my elevation to this court. This is the time to remember my gurus, and I offer them heartfelt salutations. I worked as the director of Karnataka Judicial Academy for about 2 years, 5 months, until my elevation to this court. It was Hon'ble Sri Justice Kumar who brought me to the academy. When I was the principal district judge of Chitradurga district, Sri Justice Kumar visited that place in connection with a seminar on alternative dispute resolution methods. At that time, welcoming Justice Kumar and other dignitaries, I addressed the bar regarding the efficacy of ADR methods using scientific formula S equals UT plus half AT square and giving other examples. After the seminar was over, Sri Justice Kumar told that he did not want a pure academician to head the academy, but rather an academician come judge. Thus, I became the director. I was given a free hand to module training structure with the unstinted support of the then President of Karnataka Judicial Academy, Sri Justice N. Kumar, and other governors, Sri Justice A.S. Bopanna, Srimati Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Sri Justice B. Ashok B. Hinchkeri, and Sri Justice B. Sreenivas Gowda, and with the assistance of faculty members. More of practically based training schedules were introduced, which yielded positive results. Every year, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I receive greetings from many judicial officers trained during my directorship, and this gives me a great sense of satisfaction. I owe gratitude to Sri Justice N. Kumar, Sri Justice A.S. Bopanna, Srimati Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Sri Justice Ashok B. Hinchkeri, and Sri Justice B. Sreenivas Gowda. My tenure as a judge of this court is 8 years, 7 months. On the day of my elevation, replying to the welcome address by the chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council, I had said, I quote, "If dispensation of justice is to be meaningful and effective, there must be conjoint efforts of the bar and the bench. Therefore, let us work together to see that the faith and the confidence that people have reposed on judiciary becomes stronger." Unquote. I say very proudly that I never entertained a feeling that the advocates were not cooperating in my court, especially for final hearing matters. The advocates at the principal bench, Bengaluru, and the benches at Dharwad and Kalaburgi have been cooperative and assisted in deciding a good number of appeals, both civil and criminal. On this occasion, I reveal before this gathering an instance of advocates who argued a regular first appeal before the division bench, consisting of myself and Justice Umesh Adiga, expressing fullest satisfaction, stating that they were happy that RFA was heard in the way it was to be heard and that they were not bothered about the result. In my opinion, there is no greater compliment than this that a judge can receive. I thank every advocate, the seniors and the juniors, who have extended their cooperation in smooth conducting of my court. To my brother and sister judges, I thank you all for your affability. The time that I spent with some of you at Dharwad and Kalaburgi benches remain evergreen in my memory. The healthy discussions we used to have either during morning walks or while sauntering after dinner cannot be forgotten. My bench partners in the division bench rendered a great assistance on this occasion. I thank you all immensely for your love, affection, and friendliness. While I was the director of Judicial Academy, I was ably assisted by Srimati H.R. Radha in the capacity of additional director, Sri Shashidhar Shetty as the deputy director, and Sri Sreenivas Gowda as the Assistant Director. My deep gratitude to each one of them. I also thank the then staff of the Academy. My personal staff are almost like my family members. I did not find deficiency in their work. They're all with me from the beginning till today. And because of their resistance and commitment to work, no thought ever arose in me to change them. Srimati C.K. Lata is my private secretary, and Srimati S. Sridevi is my additional private secretary. Srimati Pushpa was the court officer for about 5 years. After her promotion as assistant registrar, Sri K. Ramesh became my court officer. Sri K.M. Virendra Kumar is my court secretary. Srimati Lavanya B. is my typist. Ms. Shivani is my research assistant. Sri C.H. Chandrapa is my Jamedar. I express my gratitude to each one of them. I place on record the secretarial assistance provided by Sri B. Vinayak and Sri Manjanna E. at Dharwad bench, and Srimati Shweta Kulkarni and Sri Basalingappa at Kalburgi bench. I must remember my drivers and the security personnel. Sri Huchegoda was my first driver. He was an ever-smiling man. Unfortunately, he succumbed to COVID. Then Sri Nagaraj became my driver, worked for about 2 years, and because of his ailment, he is unable to drive. Thereafter, Sri Venkatesh Murthy was my driver. He too was very dutiful. After his retirement, my present driver is K.S. Madhu. He too is very punctual. I must remember security staff, namely Venkatesh, Timaya, Govindaraju, Siddharaju, and Dhananjaya, who provided security round the clock at my home office. Sri D. Venkatesh Murthy was my gunman for a few years, and after his retirement, Sri Venkateshaya BH was my gunman. Sri Srikanth is my present gunman. I cannot sufficiently express my gratitude or forget the services provided by each one of them. The registry is the backbone for smooth functioning of the High Court. Being aware of the tremendous pressure and stress that the members of the registry are working under, I cannot help but thank them. On this occasion, I express my heartfelt thanks to the Registrar General and all other registrars of this court. I also thank all the staff members of the High Court at Principal Bench Bengaluru and the benches at Dharwad and Kalburgi. I place on record the services rendered by the protocol branch and the medical protocol. In the background of my experience, when I and my family visited other states, I can unhesitatingly say that our protocol branch is the best in the entire country. The Registrar Protocol and his team consisting of Deputy Registrar Manjunath, the Assistant Registrar Hanumantappa, the Protocol Officer Sriram, the Section Officer Srimati Tanuja Rani, and other staff of the protocol branch are very dedicated to their work. I thank each one of them. I also thank the protocol staff at Dharwad and Kalburgi benches. The medical protocol team has always disbursed timely assistance, and I am grateful to them. I also thank Dr. Wahid Khan, Dr. Jaishila, and Dr. Ramesh Babu for the same. I should not forget to thank the services of Srimati Rupa, Sri Mahesh Kumar, Ms. Chaitra, and Sri Ravichandran for their home orderly services. My family and I profusely thank them. I also remember the services provided by Sri Prashant Udapa, the cook, and Sri Nagendra Gowda, the home orderly at Dharwad bench, and Sri Siddhanagowda Patil and Sri Uday, the cook and home orderly respectively at Kalburgi bench. I also thank Sri Jagadish, who used to be my driver when I held sittings at Dharwad. I will be failing in my duty if I do not express my gratitude to all the judicial officers and the court officials who worked with me at various places wherever I worked as principal district judge. My friends and well-wishers are present today out of love and affection. Some of them have come from afar. The advocates from Chikballapur, including senior advocates Sri S.R. Suran Rao and advocates from my hometown Gudibande, have come on their own. This shows their love and affection towards me. I may mention here that after I came in contact with the senior advocates at Chikballapur, I was greatly influenced by their pattern of maintaining precision in the pleadings, and I changed my style of drafting the pleadings thereafter. This helped me write judgments precisely and concisely after I became a judge. All my well-wishers and friends have never failed in supporting me in my long journey as a judge. Their good wishes have given me strength. I take this opportunity to remain grateful to each one of them. I may not have taken the names of everybody, but I owe a deep sense of gratitude even to those whose names have been left out inadvertently. Lastly, but most importantly, my family has been a great strength and source of inspiration. My ever supportive wives, Shailaja, daughter Samhita, son Sumant are my perennial source of strength. A recent addition to the family is my son-in-law, Sharat Vishwanath, who is a good human being and very caring. I know the difficulty that my wife faced when I was working as a principal district judge of Bidar, leaving my wife and children in Bengaluru. My wife managed both her work at a bank by commuting nearly 120 kilometers every day and looking after the children who were still young at that time. After my elevation, she resigned from her job, bearing all domestic responsibilities so that I can devote my time and attention to judicial work. My children also realized the responsibilities at a very young age and did well in their academics. I remember the sacrifices and contributions made by each one of my family members on this occasion. They may not like me saying thanks to them, but it is my duty, and any amount of expression of gratitude will fall short of how I truly feel. On this occasion, I am reminded of a verse from Mankutimana Kagga. ಒಂದು ಕೊಂಬೆಯು ಬಾಡಲು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಿಗುರುವುದು, ಸಂಧಿಹುದು ಚಿರನವತೆಯು ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥ ಮರಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಂದೆಂದು ಮಂತಿರುವುದಿ ವಿಶ್ವವೃಕ್ಷದ ಅದರೊಂದು ರಂಬೆಯೋ ನೀನು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. The meaning of the above stanza is that a peepal tree stands on the earth firmly for a long time. If one branch of the tree dries up, another grows, making the tree look evergreen. The universe is eternal, and mortal creatures on the earth are just like branches. Likewise, judges come and go, but the great institution of the judiciary, in which a common man has still a ray of hope, remains forever. I sincerely hope and expect the new branches of the tree, that is, the younger generations, to work hard and strengthen this institution. Before parting, I pray to the Almighty with a prayer penned by me. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನು ಎನ್ನ ಅರ್ಹತೆಯ ಪರಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹು ಉಪಕೃತನು ನಾನು. ಮುಂದಿರುವ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಮರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತೆ ಹದಗೊಳಿಸು ಎನ್ನ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು, ಓ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಗುರುವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for concluding the proceedings? As directed by the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, there will be no sitting in the afternoon session at the principal bench as well as benches at Dharwad and Kalburgi.
ಎರಡು ಐದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ.